guys, it's me Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, The Layer V. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me for Easter, and this is the outfit that I'm going to be wearing today, and this is the makeup look that I have going on my face right now. And if you're keen to know how to get this same exact look, then please keep on watching. But if you're watching me and this video for the first time, thank you for taking time out of your day to click on this video and watch this video till the end. And while you're here, may I suggest that you stay subscribed to this channel. All you have to do will be just to click on the subscribe button that's right down this video. There will be a small bell icon next to it. Make sure to click on it as well, just so that you will be updated and notified whenever I have new video like this going up on my channel. If you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Today's get ready with me, and if you're someone wherever you're watching this video from and celebrates Easter, I really hope you enjoyed having a wonderful Easter with your family and friends. And if you're not subscribed already, please do. All that will be needed from you is to click on the subscribe button, and there will be a bell icon next to it. Make sure to click on it as well, just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever a new video goes up on my channel. And I shall catch you in my next video.